The ECG on Apple Watch Series 4 is now available in Europe. Finally came to Europe one of the most fantastic features of the Apple Watch Series 4, with the new WatchOS 5.2, which is already available for several countries. The ECG function has become available. How to have the WatchOS 5.2 on your watch? First, you need to upgrade to iOS 12.2, and then you need to upgrade your Apple Watch Series 4. To do that, you just need to run the WatchOS and then go to General and then Software Update. With iOS 12.2, the Health app was updated. Now on Health section, in addition to all the information that was previously available, you have access to the electrocardiogram ECG option. Once there, you need to set up the ECG app. Your birthday is required. Then you have a simple explanation what is an ECG. Basically, ECG represents electrical pulses that makes your heart beat. The app checks your pulses to get your heart rate and see if the upper or lower chambers of your heart are in rhythm. If they are out of rhythm, that's atrial fibrillation. Then you get an explanation of the possible result. Sinus rhythm means the heart is beating in a uniform pattern. Atrial fibrillation means the heart is beating in an irregular pattern. This is the most common form of serious arrhythmia. On the next screen, you get some advices about the app capabilities. It cannot detect a heart attack, cannot detect clots or a stroke, and cannot detect other heart-related conditions like high blood pressure and so on. Then you are ready to take your first ECG. You need to open the ECG app on your watch, rest your arms on a table or in your lap, and hold your finger on the digital crown. To take an accurate ECG, the watch needs to be snug on the wrist selected in settings. The ECG takes 30 seconds to complete. During the test, you see the waves in real time. For the video, I was using the watch on the wrong wrist, that's why the waves pattern looks strange. Once the time runs out, you get the result. You can also add symptoms to the ECG. By doing that, all the information will be stored on the ECG report. The watch will record your ECG and save the data in the Health application on iOS. From there, you can create a report and share your results with a doctor. Information about the electrocardiogram can be found in Health app, then Health data, Heart, electrocardiogram ECG. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this one.